Oh, shit. They looking at me, I'm looking at them. I think so. Day. Because of the day that it is, that's why the line is so long. Everybody trying to check it at the same time. This line is really long. Pretty in here though, very pretty, but the line is very long, so get here early if you ever come. The check-in. Oh, just toss it in my video. Took our shoes off. Get comfortable. You forgot to watch?
No, I didn't forget it.
It's in the car. We can go back and get it after we meet them. We getting your steps in today. You're so pretty, Gaylord Hotel. You're gonna get cute later. We gonna get sissy later. We gonna get cute later. Right now we look crazy, but we gonna get cute later. I done cut my hair, y'all. Trying this layer thing. I'm gonna curl it. I'm gonna pour mine too.
I don't know how much.
It's enough, right? That's a shot. You want to put the ginger ale?
Yeah.
We got the cranberry ginger ale. What y'all know about that? Cranberry ginger. Oh, I was on chairs with you. Cheers. Tastes like tequila.
Not enough.
Okay. Ready. I'm like freaking coughing still. This cold is real life. I love the way I cut my hair. I'm going back to the car. Me to the car. He went back to the car. I'm going back to the room because I don't want to get more sick in the rain.
Tell the Grammys, fuck that over 8 shit.
Oh, what's going on? He just
You just
burned
like
the
the
top.
cake?
Hey! Oh, that is cool. Oh.